Today, I will show you how BONOSS can help your business gain a more competitive edge with our advanced technology and professional services. Whether you need innovative workspaces or OEM ODM customized solutions, we've got you need. Why choose BONOSS OEM ODM customized service? BONOSS is the only factory in China with a 3,000 square meter facility, exclusively focused on the production of workspaces. All of our production equipment and workforce are specially designed and optimized for this one product. Since 2007, we have accumulated rich technology and production experience to ensure that each product achieves quality standards. There are no MOQ limitations. With our dedicated custom production line, BONOSS is able to quickly scale production to meet your specific needs, ensuring timely fulfillment of your orders. Meanwhile, we also provide more than 5,000 technical drawings of bases to help customers customize products. BONOSS performs strict data testing and quality control on every product, ensuring every workspace fits perfectly with different car models. BONOSS offers more than 1,000 vehicle installation cases, which you can easily share with your customers to enhance efficiency and improve the customer's experience. We prioritize product quality and safety. BONOSS products have over 66 SGS and TUV Test Reports, guaranteeing that our products reach the highest safety and quality standards. As an industry leader, BONOSS constantly stays at the forefront of technical innovation. Every product we offer integrates cutting-edge technologies and patented solutions, ensuring you receive the highest quality workspaces. We provide tailored design services, allowing you to custom product designs, logos, package, and even shipping solutions to suit your brand. For the new models product, BONOSS offers rapid follow-up, helping customers capitalize on market opportunities and maintain a competitive edge in the industry. And in selected countries, we collaborate exclusively with only one OEM partner, which helps protect key customers' market share, reduce competition, and enable you to secure a large share of the market. We use multi-layer thin PP tags for individual packages to protect products from damage, ensuring the best possible shipping protection. If you are looking to enhance your product competitiveness, feel free to reach out to us anytime. We're looking forward to collaborating with you. See you next time. Bye-bye.